अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर व्यूवर्स, जीके वन लर्न इन मिनट के प्लेटफॉर्म से आपको एक नई वीडियो के साथ वेलकम किया जाता है। डियर्स, आज की वीडियो में एवरीडे साइंस के टॉप मोस्ट 25 MCQs हैं जो कि अक्सर NTS, STS, SPSC स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट और दीगर इम्तहानात को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए तरतीब दिए गए हैं। ये वीडियो एवरीडे साइंस सीरीज़ की पहली वीडियो है। दीगर टॉपिक जैसे पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़, करंट अफेयर, इस्लामियात, हिस्ट्री वगैरह के टॉपिक्स पर भी बहुत जल्द आपको ऐसी वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी। तो चलें बिना वक्त ज़ाया किए अपने न्यू सेशन का आगाज़ करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच इज़ द मोस्ट आउटर मोस्ट प्लैनेट इन आवर सोलर सिस्टम? ऑप्शन यूरेनस, मार्स, नेपच्यून, जुपिटर, एंड द आंसर इज नेपच्यून। Question number 2. Radioactivity was discovered by option A. Kelvin, B. Thomson, C. Rutherford, and D. Becquerel. And the right option of this question is D. Anthony Henry Becquerel. He was a French engineer. Question number 3. Severe deficiency of vitamin D results in A. Scurvy, B. Rickets, C. Night blindness, and D. Osteomalacia. And the answer is B. Rickets. Question number 4. Lifespan of red blood cells is A. 60 days, B. 120 days, C. 180 days, D. 240 days. The right answer of this question is B. 120 days. Question number 5. The Sun is a star, B. planet, C. asteroids, and D. meteor. And the option is A. star. Question number 6. The gas used in a refrigerator to cool water is A. nitrogen, B. carbon dioxide, C. methane, and D. ammonia. The option is D. ammonia. Question number 7. The most abundant element in the universe is A. oxygen, B. hydrogen, C. carbon dioxide, and D. silicon. The right option is B. hydrogen. Question number 8. The most densiest substance on the earth is A. platinum, B. copper, C. steel, and D. osmium. And the right option is D. osmium. Question number 9. A camera uses a dash lens to form an image. A. convex lens, B. concave lens, C. condenser lens, D. none of these. And the right answer is A. convex lens. Question number 10. Instrument used for measuring very high temperature is A. xylometer, B. hygrometer, C. pyrometer, and D. lactometer. The right option is C. pyrometer. Question number 11. During winter in cold countries, the dash is mixed to melt the ice on the icy roads. A. salt, B. chlorine, C. carbon dioxide, and D. water. The right option is A. salt. Question number 12. The nearest planet of the Earth is A. Venus, B. Mercury, C. Mars, and D. Moon. The right option is A. Venus. Venus also called morning star and the evening star. Question number 13. Oxidation is a chemical reaction involving the A. loss of protons, B. gain of protons, C. loss of electrons, and D. gain of electrons. The right answer is C. loss of electrons. Question number 14. The salinity of seawater is determined by the amount of a common salt in dash kg of seawater. A. 1 gram, B. 10 gram, C. 1 kg, D. 10 kg. The answer is C. 1 kg. Question number 15. The bodyguard of the earth is dash that saved the earth from many comets and asteroids. A. Uranus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, and D. Venus. The answer is C. Jupiter. Question number 16. Biosensor is used to measure A. Blood glucose level, B. The body pH value, C. Amount of hemoglobin, and D. Salinity in urine. The answer is A. Blood glucose level. Question number 17. The SI unit of electric current is A. Coulomb, B. Ampere, C. Volt, and D. Watt. The option is B. Ampere. Question number 18. For proper formation of teeth, dash is essential. A. Iodine, B. Copper, C. Fluorine, D. Iron. The answer is C. Fluorine. Question number 19. Deficiency of dash causes loss of appetite and poor growth. A. Zinc, B. Iodine, C. Copper, and D. Iron. The right answer is A. Zinc. Question number 20. Diamond is an allotropic form of A. Carbon, B. Hydrogen, C. Nitrogen, and D. Silicon. The right option is A. Carbon. Question number 21. The good source of vitamin A are A. Green leafy vegetables, B. Seeds, C. Fresh vegetables and fruits, and D. Seafoods. The correct answer is A. Green leafy vegetables. Question number 22. World Wide Web was discovered by A. Tim Berners-Lee, B. Vint Cerf, C. Alan Turing, and D. None of these. The correct answer is A. Tim Berners-Lee. Question number 23. Who developed oral polio vaccine? A. Albert Sabine, B. Joseph Lister, C. Jonas Salk, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Albert Sabine. Question number 24. Who invented the ballpoint pen? A. Biro brothers, C. Waterman brothers, C. Biko brothers, and D. Wright brothers. The correct answer is A. Biro brothers. Laszlo and George Biro, both brothers, invented the pen. Question number 25. What J.P. Dunlop invented? A. Pneumatic rubber tire, B. Automobile wheel rim, C. Rubber boot, and D. Model airplanes. The right answer is A. Pneumatic rubber tire. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पाकिस्तान अफेयर्स के टॉप 25 क्वेश्चन के साथ हाजिर होंगे। तब तक जीके वन लाइनर इन मिनट को लाइक सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।